Hello class 9. In this video I will discuss or I will revise lesson 2, what is democracy and why democracy. Actually, you know very well that in the world we find the various form of government, and in this form of government we find that democracy is the popular form of government than other form of government. When I am saying to you that democracy is the popular form of government than other form of government, then there will be some reasons. So when we start to discuss this particular reason, then we find that it depends on a question. What is the question? Question is that overall, what is democracy? Actually, when we discuss about this particular question, then we find a definition or an answer. What is democracy? So you may see that democracy is a form of government in which the rulers are elected by the people. So in this particular definition, as you can see on this particular whiteboard, I have underlined some important points. First of all, form of government, after then rulers, after then elected, and after then the people. So one by one I will discuss these all important things. First of all, form of government. What is the question? Actually, what type of government is democracy? Democracy is a type of government in which power is in the hand of people. And after them we find who are the rulers. Who are the rulers? Rulers are those representatives, those who are elected by the people in the democracy. Those who are elected by the people in the democracy and those who have power to take decisions in the democracy. And after then we just going to elected. The term elected is related with the election. Actually, in democracy, election plays very important role. Without election, there is no meaning of democracy. Why? Because in election, people cast their vote, and then we find that a form of government will be formed. That is known as the democracy. And after then we find the people. Actually, who are the people? You know very well that democracy is a type of government where we find the people's rule. Where we find the people's rule means the people are rulers itself. But they will elect the government or the representative, and on the behalf of people, the rulers will take decision. So when we discuss this very simple form of definition of democracy, then we find that really democracy is a form of government where we find that it is the popular and the best form of government than other form of government in the world. So when we discuss this particular question, then or when we discuss this particular definition, then it is very essential to understand, it is very essential to discuss further about the democracy. I am going to discuss the first point related to the democracy. First of all, the major decisions by elected leaders. When we discuss about this particular major decisions by elected leaders, then we find, or I will give an example, the example of Pakistan. Actually, in Pakistan, earlier there was the democratic government, but there was a type of problem, and this particular problem was brought by General Pervez Musharraf, a military leader. And we will see that General Pervez Musharraf, imposed what? Military rule in Pakistan, and he dismissed what? The democratic government in Pakistan. And when the democratic government of Pakistan was overthrown by the General Pervez Musharraf in Pakistan, in which year? In the year of 1999. And then we find that some very important changes were occurred in Pakistan. The first very important change we can see in August 2002. He issued a legal framework order. So in 2002, he issued a legal framework, and according to this particular framework, General Pervez Musharraf, got various power in his hand. And according to this legal framework, first of all, he amended the constitution of Pakistan. And according to this particular amendment of Pakistan, you may see, according to this amendment or according to this change of Pakistan, now President can dismiss the Central Legislative Assembly as well as what? The State Legislative Assembly. And it was also seen that after taking such power in his hand, you may see that in Pakistan, elections were held or conducted. In this particular election, we can see that in this particular election, no doubt, some very important decisions were taken, and it was just mere about of the democracy. How? When the election will be taken, then the people will cast their vote, when the representative will be elected, when the assembly will be formed. But overall, the representative will take decision in the assemblies, but these particular decisions, these assemblies, central and state assemblies, will be supervised by the military officers. No doubt, so many particular decisions, so many laws were taken place in the assembly, but finally, who will take decision? General Parvez Musharraf. Who can change the decision of the assembly? General Parvez Musharraf. So now you just think, which I have discussed in this particular definition, when the rulers are elected by the people, if you have given what? Power in the hand of people, then it is very essential that the rulers should take decision. But overall, in the Pakistan, we cannot find such type of power in the Pakistan. That is why we find that when we discuss and it happens, whatever is happening or whatever was happening in Pakistan, it only happened where? Only in Pakistan, and where there is a autocratic ruler or dictatorship or monarchy. Now the final decisions making power must rest with those elected by the people. So when we discuss the condition of Pakistan, then we get some lessons, then we get some what? Important views from the democracy. If power is given in the hand of people, if people elect the representative, then this particular representative, these particular leaders should get decision, and no one can dismiss such decision. So it is the very important thing which I have discussed to you according to the democracy. I hope you understood this particular video. Thank you very much.